Coinrule Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Coinrule, a cryptocurrency trading automation platform. Links to the product are in the description for easy access. Coinrule is designed to help both beginners and experienced traders automate their crypto trading strategies without needing to code. It offers an intuitive interface that lets users set up rules for their trades, making it accessible even for those new to trading. One of Coinrule's standout features is its user-friendly rule builder. It allows you to create personalized trading strategies with a few clicks, such as setting buy or sell triggers based on price movements, market conditions, or technical indicators. The platform also offers pre-built templates for various strategies, so you don't have to start from scratch. Coinrule supports integration with major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, giving you access to a wide range of markets and cryptocurrencies. The platform's flexibility is another plus. You can set multiple rules for different assets, choose how aggressive you want your strategy to be, and even backtest your strategies to see how they would have performed in different market conditions. For more advanced traders, Coinrule offers custom strategies, giving you full control over your trading rules. Coinrule also has a mobile app, which makes it easy to monitor and adjust your strategies on the go. The platform operates on a subscription-based model, with different tiers that offer varying features like higher trade limits, advanced strategies, and priority customer support. In conclusion, Coinrule is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool for automating crypto trading, whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned trader. It's ideal for those who want to automate their trades while still maintaining control over their strategies. If you're looking to save time and improve your trading efficiency, Coinrule is definitely worth checking out. Be sure to check out the links in the description to learn more.